Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Use 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1 cup water or milk, and 1 medium banana. Measure ingredients precisely for consistent texture. Rolled oats give creamier results than quick oats. Add 1/4 teaspoons salt and 1 tablespoon honey if desired to balance flavor and enhance sweetness. Mash half the banana, slice the rest so you can fold soft fruit into the oats and reserve slices as a fresh topping. Prepare a small bowl for toppings and a teaspoon to stir while cooking. Messy end place keeps the process smooth and time. For microwave, combine oats and liquid in a bowl and cook on high for 90 seconds. Use a wide microwave-safe bowl to prevent boilover and let stand 1 minute before stirring. For stovetop, simmer with lid for 4 minutes, stirring once to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Reduce heat if liquid evaporates too fast. Stir in mashed banana and cook 30 seconds more so the fruit integrates and sweetens the porridge. Adjust thickness with up to 2 tablespoons, extra liquid if needed. Top with sliced banana, 1 tablespoon chopped nuts, and a pinch of cinnamon for texture and aroma. Add 1 tablespoon peanut butter or 2 tablespoons yogurt for protein and creaminess, or drizzle 1 teaspoon maple syrup for extra sweetness. If you want crunch, stir in 1 tablespoon seeds like chia or hemp. If you prefer creamier oats, swirl in 1 tablespoon butter or coconut oil. Store leftovers in airtight container up to 3 days and reheat with a splash of milk to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.